Hi, my name's Araya. I am 22. Currently, I work full time as a preschool teacher and I'm in school. I'm in this class to get my infant toddler certificate so I can get more credentials and be more experienced in my field. I am born and raised in Raleigh, North Carolina. I've lived here my whole life. I've hopped around from Cary and Apex and Raleigh, so I love it. Currently, I live with my boyfriend and my dog Taz. He's crazy. I have a huge family. I have 5 siblings total. I have one whole sister. I have 2 half sisters and 2 step siblings. It gets crazy. My job is a preschool teacher. For 2 years, I was in the toddler room, and currently I am in the infant room as the lead teacher. I love it. I've been at this school for 3 years, and it's so fun watching all of the kids grow. So, yeah, that's it.